Hello everyone, welcome back again with me on Koniago channel. Today in this video I will show you how to use surface feature, and today I will show you how to use Kinetic surface and Thicken feature. But before we start, let's take a look at this first. If you mechanical engineering student or people who like make a project and you want to use my 3D concept, you can buy my concept. Use this link. Go to my bio, click this link, click link ID Dreamnest. See? Now click this machine. With 150,000 rupiah, you will get 3D CAD machine, Pro Solid file, 2D drawing, and you can modify the 3D and 2D CAD data use Solidworks 23T. What are you waiting for? Come on and buy it now. If you see this part divided by 3 surface feature. Like this, see? And if you want to use Thicken feature, like this, you just click one feature, you cannot click another. That's why we use Kinetic surface. Active Kinetic surface. Now you have a parameter, click the surface like this, all surface, and click OK. See? Now the surface body is 1, not 3 like before. See? See? Now let's active Thicken surface and click this surface. See? You have a parameter, the thickness in middle, in outside, on and inside. See? And you can insert follow the parameter, maybe 5 mm, and I use thickness outside and click OK. See? Now you have a solid body. Now you know how to use Kinetic surface and Thicken feature. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.